For me to end his legacy is the start of mine. When I said I'm gonna crucify the man, they said, this will be the first time you've experienced my punch, man. You've experienced my punch, man.
Well, I keep my mouth shut and let him talk. Let my fist talk in the ring.
Bago maganap ang bakbakan ni Manny Pacquiao at ng Noy undefeated champion na si Kit one-time Thurman ay katakot-takot na pangtatrash talk ang inabot ni Manny Pacquiao mula sa hambog na Amerikano. Ayon dito kay Kit Thurman, sa araw daw ng kanilang bakbakan ay parurusahan niya daw ito ng gusto at ipapako pa daw sa krus. Laos na daw si Manny Pacquiao dahil sobrang tanda na daw nito at napakaliit pa. Hindi nga daw aabot ang mga suntok nito sa mukha niya dahil parang katulad lang sa T-Rex arm ang mga braso nito. Ayon dito, napakatagal na daw nagboboxing ni Pacquiao kaya oras na daw para magretiro na ito. Dagdag pa ng champion na matapos niya daw talunin at in-knockout itong si Pacquiao, agad niya daw isusunod ang former Unified Champion Errol Spence Jr. at ang former WBO welterweight champion na si Terence Bud Crawford. Sa kabila ng panginsulto at panglalait ay nananatiling kalmado si Manny Pacquiao kahit naman medyo below the belt na ang mga banat sa kanya ni Thurman. Naging suki na mga pangtatrash talk itong si Manny Pacquiao mula pa kay Margarito, Rios at Adrian Broner. Alam naman ni Thurman na hindi nagpapa-apekto itong si Pacquiao sa mga panginsulto kaya gumawa ito ng panibagong pakulo. At ito ang nasabi niya sa interview.
And it will be proven come July. You know, I mean, I know he likes to quote Bible verses, so I'll let you know he's getting crucified.
Makikita dito na halatang na-insulto si Manny Pacquiao dahil sa isang interview ay nasabi nito na hindi daw niya nagustuhan ang sinabi ni Thurman sa kanya.
So, the one he said that he's going to crucify me.
He's going what? Crucify.
Yeah. Was that over? Why did that particular line bother you?
I mean, well, just want to prove something.
For Pacquiao, you know what I'm saying? That's my hype song for this camp, right? I'm doing a Manny Pacquiao, what he did to Oscar De La Hoya. You can Google it if you want to. Oscar De La Hoya never fought again. All right, facts. This is a big fight.
Jeff Horn was bigger.
Yeah.
The size was apparent. Every time Manny ducked, Jeff Horn leaned on top of him, right?
Yeah.
He manhandled Manny Pacquiao, right? What else did he do? When he was standing straight up, he was right here on Manny Pacquiao.
He was
right here on Manny Pacquiao. Right here! And you telling me Manny did something? No, he didn't! Those hands didn't touch. Go back and watch the fight.
Yeah.
That's the day I gave him the nickname T-Rex arms.
Really?
Taong 2019 nang nagahari itong si Kit one-time Thurman sa welterweight at hawak nito ang WBA Super Belt. Matapos ang sunod-sunod na panalo, kasama na dyan ang panalo niya kay Shawn Porter at Danny Garcia. Sa sobrang tapang nito ay pati ang self-proclaimed TBE na si Floyd Mayweather Jr. ay hinamon nito.
Of course, Floyd Money Mayweather. You've heard that he's not interested in fighting you. I'm sure he's watching right now. What's your message to him, to his camp, to persuade him in his final bout to challenge one time?
You know, I'm a young, strong champion, Floyd. Come get it. I'm undefeated like you, baby. Come take my O, baby. Come take my O. I'm ready. I'm ready. We'll go back to camp right now. We'll go right back to camp, baby. You see my six-pack? I'm going to go run laps tomorrow. It is what it is, man. Outside of Floyd, there's a lot of great champions in the welterweight division, and they know who to call. His name is Al Heyman. Call Al Heyman, baby. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and I'm looking forward to other opportunities. I beat this fighter, I can beat any fighter.
He is 26-0.
Bago pa makalaban ni Manny Pacquiao, itong si Kit Thurman ay meron itong perfectong record na 29 wins with no loss Sa lakas ng knockout percentage nito ay 22 sa naipanalo nito ay knockout. Kaya hindi nakataka-taka na nabansagan itong the hard hitter ng welterweight division. Sa kabilang dako ay galing naman si Manny Pacquiao sa dalawang impresibong panalo. At ito ay ang round 7 knockout win kontra sa Argentinian boxer na si Lucas Matthysse. At nakakuha naman ito ng unanimous decision kontra sa tinaguriang The Problem na si Adrian Broner. Sa kabila ng edad nito na 40 years old ay hindi nito alintana ang mga panganib na dulot ng mga young elite fighter sa welterweight. Dahil kung ating matatandaan ay pagkatapos ng panalo ng former unified champion na si Errol Spence Jr. kontra kay Mikey Garcia ay hinamon nito si Manny Pacquiao. Agad naman itong sinagot ni Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao, so I'm just gonna let you do it right now.
Yeah, tell Manny Pacquiao come back over here. Manny! Come on over here, Manny.
Manny, you're being requested here, center of the ring.
He been here before, he broke records here before, he's a legend of the sport, and it'd be my honor to fight him next.
Is that the fight you want next, Manny?
Yeah, why not? I mean, we'll give the fans a good fight.
Would you want to do it right here in AT&T Stadium? I saw Mr. Jones. I don't know where he went. I'm sure he would have no qualms about doing that.
Well,
Mag-fast forward na nga po tayo sa gabi kung saan pinatikim ni Manny Pacquiao ng kauna-unahang talo itong si Keith Thurman. Kapwa, nagbabasa pa ito ng kanilang mga galawan. Pero round 1 pa lang ay nagpakita na agad ng pagiging agresibo itong si Manny Pacquiao. Pero sa hindi inaasahang suntok mula kay Pacquiao ay ganito ang mangyayari. sa early rounds ay bahagyang nakakakuha na ng mga round score points itong si Keith Thurman. Dahil makikita natin na medyo napapagod na rin itong si Manny Pacquiao. At nang sumapit ang round 10 ay dito na pumasok ang matinding body shot na mas lalong magpapahina kay Keith Thurman.
Judge at ringside, Glenn Feldman scores about 114 to 113 in favor of Keith Thurman. Judge at ringside, Dave Moretti scores about 115, 112 in favor of Manny Pacquiao. And judge at ringside, Tim Cheatham sees it 115 to 112 in favor of the winner. Boxing's pride of the Philippines, the ageless wonder, the one and only current WBA welterweight champion of the world, Manny Pacquiao.